The Internet of Things, or IoT, is a technology that connects real-life devices with online control. Smart plugs are part of the IoT. They're another way of connecting real-life devices with online control, and more importantly, enabling data gathering. The data analysis is becoming a valuable technology to help medical, pharmaceutical, educational, and financial institutions make more informed decisions concerning things like equipment maintenance, operating expense, and asset utilization.
So this technology helps businesses identify asset utilization in a unique way. We use a simple device that's monitoring the power profile of the equipment that's associated to it. And then we're using and isolating usage episodes through algorithms in our cloud-based software to give you real-time utilization, but also the historical utilization statistics of the asset. We're actually capturing data every 15 seconds, and we're monitoring the power and temperature of the wire itself. So we're monitoring the very, very detailed milliamp level data of the power consumption through the plug. This technology gives you the ability to look at a profile signature based upon the power consumption or the cycles that are being used for energy, and then determine what does a baseline or a healthy profile look like for a specific piece of equipment. Utilizing machine learning and AI in the cloud allows you to cross-reference that with hundreds or even thousands of different similar types of devices. And so then that gives you the ability to know when there's an anomaly. So we can detect when something isn't quite right. And then you can make smarter decisions based upon whether I need to get this piece of equipment certified or recertified, refurbished, or whether it's a piece of equipment that we've been having problems with consistently, and we spend enough money on it that we could have bought a new one. So maybe you can make a CapEx decision based upon the health of an asset. One of the key differences in the space of IoT is a consumer grade versus enterprise grade solution. So with an enterprise grade solution, the data reliability is a component and scalability is a big component as well. So in most of your consumer grade IoT applications, 5, 10, maybe 50 devices can be run from a smartphone. But in an enterprise where you may have thousands or tens of thousands of devices communicating, you need the reliability and you need to minimize the amount of infrastructure required to support that many number of devices.